For today's vlog, we will unbox the MinaLima Harry Potter edition. Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Ynzkie. It's everybody's knowledge that Harry Potter has different editions. So I have a copy of book 1, book 2, book 4, and 5 for the first edition, and I was actually contemplating on buying the whole set of Harry Potter of the first edition, but it's quite expensive because I wanted the hardbound with the wooden box, but it costs like 10,000 pesos, so that's very expensive for me. I've heard and I know that there is a MinaLima edition of Harry Potter, but it's quite expensive too because one book costs like 1,800 pesos, and for one book 1,800. So I've been really thinking whether to buy the MinaLima edition or not. Good thing it was always out of stock in Fully Book that I was not able to buy it immediately, but 2 weeks ago when I visited Fully Book, it's available, and I can't stop myself from buying it because there are a lot of good reviews about the MinaLima edition of Harry Potter. So I bought it and I had it last Monday, and it's here. So as you can see, I've already unboxed it at the office. I just need to unbox it at the office because my friends, who are also my colleagues, wanted to see what's inside the MinaLima edition of Harry Potter. And of course, I want to show them what's inside because I know that they also like Harry Potter. So Gerald is the one who took the video while I was actually unboxing. This is my MinaLima Harry Potter edition. So for everybody's knowledge, MinaLima edition, they only have the first book now for now, and they're releasing the second book on October 2021. So I'm excited. At least I can save more for the next book before buying it. This is it. This is the MinaLima Harry Potter edition. I'm pretty sure you've already heard about this edition already, especially for those bookworms. So why is this MinaLima very famous? First of all, because it has illustrations, it has pop-ups and everything. But I will let you see what's inside of this book. Come and join me. Come and join me. This is the cover of the MinaLima Harry Potter edition. This is the front cover. It says J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stones. This is the book 1. And this is what's at the back of the book. It's actually a hardbound edition. And it says designed and illustrated by MinaLima. So maybe you are wondering what is MinaLima, and I actually read it last night. What's the meaning of MinaLima? It's somewhere here that I forgot. Oh, okay. So to Stephanie, mentor, paragon, friend, extraordinary wizard, Merafora Mina and Eduardo Lima. I think they're a couple or something. I don't know. So this is it. This is the cover. Oops. And this is the inside cover, as you can see. And that's the cover. That's the 4 houses: the Gryffindor, the Slytherin, the Ravenclaw. That's how it is. So what I've read about this book is it has illustrations. Like I said earlier, it has illustrations. So like for example, on this first chapter of the book, it has illustrations and drawings in it. There is Mr. and Mrs. Dursley, Dudley's mom and dad, and there is Dumbledore, who was actually taking all the lights from the lampposts, and Miss McGonagall. And of course, see there, this is like the time that they use. And then what else should I let you see? It's actually thick because of the illustrations and pop-ups. So let's see what others. Yeah, see, this is one of the pop-ups. This is actually the castle. See, you can see the castle. So that's how it is. That's the castle there, and then you can put it back like this. What interests me the most of this is the fat lady. Let's see if I can see the fat lady here. Yeah, look at this fat lady. So if you are a Harry Potter fan, you know who is the fat lady. And look, watch out, look at her eyes. Isn't it cute? Yeah, that's what I like about this book. This one and the chess pop-up. I'm not going to show you everything, so that at least you have something to look forward to if you purchase this book. But this is a nice pop-up. See, if you know about Harry Potter, it's on the last part where Ron, Harry and Hermione played chess to get to the dungeon. There, they said they have letters here, the acceptance letter of Harry. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, there is this acceptance letter of Harry Potter to the Hogwarts. And of course, there are Japanese paper that you have to put in between so that it will not destroy the illustrations and other pop-up things of this. So this MinaLima book is still published by Scholastics. Yeah, it's scholastic.com. And like I said earlier, it's 1,800 plus. It's quite expensive, but for a bookworm and a Harry Potter fan, it's worth it. I like it. I like the smell of the new book. I like the smell of it. See? The pages have actually illustrations in it. I can't wait to see the third book of this, because the third book, The Prisoner of Azkaban, is my favorite from among the Harry Potter editions. So this is it. This is my new purchase, my new book from Fully Book. It's the Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stones MinaLima edition. I hope you enjoy it, and if you are a Harry Potter fan, like I said, it's worth it. You should buy it because it's really worth it for a collection. I thought it was a big book, but yeah, it's not as big as I think. It's still worth it. They had given me another bookmark from Fully Book. Yeah. See, the quote for this bookmark is, we read to know we're not alone, which is also correct. I hope you enjoy my unboxing. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.